Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so that way you stay notified when my next video goes live. Okay, so there has been quite a bit of success, and I don't know, I guess it's kind of balanced. I feel like this was more of a project progress because, well, I did get through some products, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and call the mascara done because it's been about 3 months, so that is done. I did not like it. I did not enjoy it. So I wouldn't buy the full size. I wouldn't recommend it, but that's just me. I did finish the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. I'm not going to buy the full size of it because I still have other foundations that I need to go through. I also have other little small deluxe sizes like this as well. So I'm not trying to buy any more foundation as much as I want to. Like, I really want to buy foundations to do reviews, but I just don't want like my older foundations to be pushed further back into my collection. Let me show you guys my progress that I was so happy about. I kind of ran this project over a little more than I wanted to, but that was on purpose. I just wasn't procrastinating. I kind of wanted to keep going with the progress a little bit more, but I did hit pan on the Balm Springs Long Lasting Blush. This is in the shade Full Swing, but I did hit pan. I hope you guys can see that. So last video, there was no pan, and now there's pan, so I'm super happy about that. I did not make progress on my Trestique matte lip crayon. It still stayed the same. To be honest, I didn't reach for it. I don't even know why, but it literally just stayed at the same line. Everyone always says it, if I don't reach for it by such and such time, then I'm gonna get rid of it. But for reals, I'm gonna use this till the end of the year, and then I'm gonna get rid of it. One less product in my collection, right? Alright, so I did make a lot of progress on my Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Fishnet. I thought I was going to be able to finish it, but I didn't. But I am at that line down there compared to the line above it. I hope you guys can see it. That is my progress compared to the last progress, and then compared to like all the way from where I started. So awesome, and it's getting harder to sharpen. So that's a good thing, but it's also sad and it's also frustrating because I do want to use every last bit of that eyeliner, and then I'm going to buy the full size. I didn't make a lot of progress on my e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush Duo. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do away with this because this shade right here is just too light for me, and I'm not a fan of blushes with shimmer. And so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. There's not hardly any progress on it at all. I was really hoping that I could finish it, but there's a crap ton of product in here. Kept having to scrape the top off. I don't know why it hard pans so easily, but it does. And so that's another reason why I was just like, I don't want to reach for it because I had to do extra with it. I did finish previous products. I'm going to link my Project Pan playlist down below if you're interested on watching those type of videos. Real quick, I want to say that I am wearing the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Chasing the Sun highlighter. I really do love it. Makes me look super tan. I'm also wearing on my lips because I did a video, which I think it's going to go up after this one, if not before this one, of the lipsticks that I got from that same collection, the round 2. So the lip color that I'm wearing right now is a liquid lipstick in the shade My Main, and it was just too light. I don't know, I might have to return it. I'm really sad. But I really was hoping that the liquid lipstick was going to work for me because I think the other one is a little bit lighter. Or not lighter, but it's the mauve one, and I'm not into mauve lipsticks. So I don't know, I can make this one work. But it's just that I put Aftermath, the creme lipstick, I just like dotted it a little bit and then I blotted it out with my finger. So I think I'm going to make it work that way because I like this tone right here. It was a whole lot lighter. Like, let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys on the back of my hand. I'm going to do like a generous swatch. The formula is super lightweight. I love it. And it smells yummy. So that is a swatch of it. Like, it doesn't look like that on my lips because my lips have like this bluish, grayish, purplish tone to them. So it looks a lot lighter, but then whenever I dab a little bit of Aftermath on it, it looks a lot better. But anyways, I have another Project Pan coming up, And so stay tuned for that if you're into project panning. And also don't forget I have a giveaway on my previous video of the Biovine Barcelona, the magnetic mask. So if you are in the US and you want to like take a look at what I'm giving away, go click that video, watch it, and all the rules are in the description. So that ends, I think, October 16th, but I don't know. All the details are there. So anyways, that is it for this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.